There's a lot of reasons why you might want to recover your Google Sheets. Maybe you accidentally trashed it, or you've trashed it or destroyed it or removed it from your Google Drive within the past 30 days. And that's key. We can go up to File and Move to Trash. And these two buttons might confuse you. If you want to keep the Google Sheet, you have to say Take Out of Trash. If you do not want to keep it, you go to Sheets home screen. So you might have clicked this by accident, and now we need to recover that Google Sheet. Well, we can go there in our Sheets folder or even Google Drive, drive.google.com. Over on the left side, you'll see a few menus like Home, Activity. Scroll down, and under Spam and above Storage, you'll see Trashed Items. Click on Trash, and here is a list of all of the items that are in the trash that will be deleted after 30 days. And you can see at the very top how to recover Google Sheets. This is the Google Sheet we want to recover. Over on the right side, the three buttons, More Actions, we can click that and click Restore. We can also just select this. You can see it is selected in blue. And up at the top next to the X, it says One Selected, and it has a rewind little icon. And it says Restore from Trash. Click that, or Restore on the three dots to the right. And on the bottom, it'll say Show File Location. And here we can show the file location. It's here, and we can go to our sheet, and it is restored or recovered. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos. Get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments, and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.